Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI is available in both 2- and 4-door models to easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.